each other. So what are the properties? AB equal to DC, BC equal to AD, and AC equal to BD. As well, these diagonals bisect. They bisect each other. And each interior angle, that is angle ABC, is 90 degree. Angle CBCD is 90 degree. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. These angles we can write as DAB as well. Angle A can be written as angle DAB as well. Angle at vertex A. It can be written as angle DAB. DAB. So this angle I'm talking about, we are talking about. So for example, two sides are given. For example, two sides are given. AB equal to 4 centimeters, BC equal to 3 centimeters. For example, just two sides are given and the question is asking that we have to draw the rectangle. So how we can draw the rectangle? We'll be drawing the first the line AB. Only two sides are given. Two adjacent sides are given. That is 4 centimeter. That is AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeters are given. So at what angles they are? 90 degree. It doesn't have to be perpendicular because they are already saying that we have to draw a rectangle. Rectangle means side 90 degree. So draw an angle of 90 degree at B. So we have 4 centimeters AB. Draw an angle of 90 degree. You all know how to draw the 90 degree angle. And on this line, where see how far from B? 3 centimeters from. So take compass, take radius of 3 centimeters, make an arc. So this is our C point. 3 Now we have to find D point, where it will be here. Opposite side equal. So D will be how far from C? 4 centimeters. How far from A? 3 centimeters. How far from A? 3 centimeters. So again, take 4 centimeters radius and from C, make an arc. We got the D point. D point will lie somewhere on this arc, 4 centimeters away from C. 3 centimeters, again take 3 centimeters of radius and make an arc. Wherever these two arcs meet, or wherever these two arcs cut, we will be having two vertex. Now, this is how we are on the rectangle when two sides are. Now, the first question. Read the first question. What are given? So sides are given. Aryan, look front. Hidjan, start doing. You can sit here, bring your seat here. You aren't able to see the board. Sit here, bring this desk here. Shift this desk here. The whole desk shift here. Yes, do your work. So first we're making line of 7 centimeters here. AB is 7 centimeters, BC is 9 centimeters. So it's up to you which our base you want to take. So see here, while drawing, leave good amount of space here because it is going to be 9 centimeters. So first draw a line AB of 7 centimeters. First draw a line AB of 7 centimeters. Now we have to make an angle of 90 degree. at vertex B or A. So BC is given, so at B we are making. Make an angle of 90 degree. Anyone in class who doesn't know how to make 90-degree angle, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you don't know. If you don't know, I'll be telling you, or else I will skip this part. If you don't know, yes. Anyone else? Yes, look front and last bench. Pay attention here. E, make an arc. At B, make an arc. Now see how we are making 90 degree. That means first we have to make scissors. Then, so this is our 60-degree angle. This is another 60 angle. So how to make 90 degrees? 60 we already got. We need 30 degrees more. So second angle which was 60 degree we have drawn. We can bisect that angle. The bisected the angle. So 60 plus 30. So this is 60-degree angle, another 60-degree angle, and we bisected this angle. We got 30 degrees. 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. And is much 9 centimeters in your compass. Take 9 centimeters in your compass and make an arc. So this is which point we have? C we got. Now we require D. So from A, make an arc of 9 centimeters. So D will be lying somewhere on this arc. And how far that point D has to be from C? 7 centimeters. So again take 7 centimeters and we have got D point. Now join D and A, D and C. You will get the rectangle. Yes. D, okay. So see here, this was the rectangle. A, B, C, D. This was the rectangle. Kevalya, look front. A, B, C, D. This was the rectangle. 7 centimeters. This is 9 centimeters. This we have drawn till now. But D point we have to find. How to find? In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That means CD is how much? 7 centimeters. AD is how much? 9 centimeters. It means D is how far from A? 9 centimeters. So from A, we'll be drawing an arc of 9 centimeters. Drawn. Now see here, D point will be lying somewhere on this arc. Because every point on this arc is 9 centimeters away from A. And to find the point this arc, such that point is how far? Is how from 7. So take 7 centimeters radius, make an arc. Take 7 centimeters, make an arc. And make an arc. So wherever these two arcs meet or wherever these two arcs cut each other, that will be our D point. That will be our. So how far it is from A? 9 centimeters. How far from C? 7 centimeters. Now just join them. With scale, join them. And write the dimensions 9 centimeters. Whenever you are representing this kind of a square, no need of writing 90. Okay? Vedant, look front.
Sir, video is not coming clear.
Yeah, look front. Any doubt? Draw it fast. Yes, Vedant. Drawn, not understood. Arc drawn, both the arcs drawn. Someone, okay. Okay. Yes, Vedan, this happens when you look from the sides or at the back. So you understood it. When you talk, I can hear your voice. So now I'm able to get your voice. D how far from A? How far from A? Tell me. 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters. From A it is 9 centimeters. So put
Sir, your video is paused.
Yes, sir, your voice is also not coming.
So look here in this question, for example, diagonal is given. 3 centimeters is not given, diagonal is given, that is 5 centimeters. Yes, stay quiet. This time a diagonal is provided, that is AC equal to 5 centimeters and AB equal to 4 centimeter. How will we draw this figure? So see here how to draw. AB we can draw 4 centimeter. Okay, that 12 centimeter will be considering afterwards. So if this is provided, AB equal to 4 centimeter and AC equal to 5 centimeter, then AB we have drawn 4 centimeters. AB we have drawn 4 centimeters. Now AC 5 centimeters. C is how far from A? 5 centimeters. And where does C lie? It lies on the perpendicular to AB. So here at B will be drawing an angle of 90 degree. We have drawn the 90 degree angle at B. See here, this is just for example I'm telling. Just for example, we are taking this figure 4 and 5. Okay, so 4. Now take an arc of 5 from A, cut this point. C will be lying on this line perpendicular to AB, and the point on this line, the vertex C has to be how far from A? 5 centimeters. So from A, cut an arc. We got the AC. Similarly, AB take from this point, cut an arc. Take this length and from A, cut an arc. Just look front. Okay, we are going with the question now. AB equal to how much? 12 centimeters. AC equal to 13 centimeter. These are the dimensions given. Hidansh, look front. AB 12 centimeters, AC 13 centimeters. So see here, 12 centimeters line we have to draw, and on that the height it will be around 13 centimeters. So leave good amount of space on top. Start drawing something near the base, below at the page. So first we'll be drawing 12 centimeters line. A B 12 centimeters. We have drawn 12 centimeters line. Everyone look here once.
Yes, sir.
Everyone look here once. AB we have drawn 12 centimeters line. Now AC is given. That means AB CB. This is 12 centimeter. This AC is how much? 13 centimeters. So C is how far from A? 13 centimeters. And C lies on what to AB? On the perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB. It's a rectangle. So BC is perpendicular to AB. So at B we can draw a perpendicular. So at B, draw a perpendicular line. In rectangle, AB
Sir,
is
drawn.
perpendicular to BC. They are making angle of 90 degree. So at B, we can draw an angle of 90 degree. At B, draw an angle of 90 degree.
Sir, drawn.
Look front. Draw an angle of 90 degrees. And join them. Now see here. We are joined. So C will be lying somewhere on this line. Okay, draw 90 degree angle first. Everyone have drawn the 90 degree angle. Now see here.
Yes, sir.
You can see C is lying somewhere on this line. C will lie on somewhere on this line, and that point has to be how far from A? 13 centimeters.
13 centimeters.
So what we can do? We can take radius of 13 centimeters in compass, and from A we can make an arc on this line. See it again. Take length of 13 centimeters. Few compasses won't be having the 13 centimeters. You can do one thing. Those who are not having 13 centimeters, take your scale. From that scale, see where 13 centimeters is meeting. With your scale from A, take 13 centimeters and point that point. Okay? Take your scale, 13 centimeters. From A, see where 13 is touching this line. Aryan, stay quiet. Yes, be quiet. So see here, first C point will be lying somewhere on this line, such that that point C has to be how far from A? 13 centimeters. So this length must be 13 centimeters. How to do? If you are able to take in compass 13 centimeters from A, make an arc on this line. You got the point? Or else, if it is not you are not able to get it, 13 centimeters radius in compass, what you can do? Take scale, the zero mark, put it at A. Now see where 13 is touching this line. And that will be our point C. That will be our vertex C. Understood? So take 13 centimeters in your compass from here and cut an arc. Vedant, pay attention. Stop doubling now. Front. Discussing with it. So from here, we got which point? See, we have got D is how far from C? 12 centimeters. D is how far
12
from C? 12 centimeters. So from C, draw an arc 12 centimeters. From C, 12 centimeters. And how far from length BC in your compass? Take length equal to BC. Change your seat. What do you ask it? Without asking. Just stop discussing. Look front. So now got the D point. D will be somewhere on this side. Now take this radius in your compass equal to BC. From make a now. You get the D. Now join it with A and C. Yes, 1 minute. Pay attention here. You are not paying attention. You are not knowing how to draw even now. Just pay attention here. AB we have already drawn. We have drawn the perpendicular to it, that is at 90-degree angle. Sides of adjacent sides of rectangle are at 90 degree. So we have drawn a line perpendicular to AB, that is at an angle of 90 degree. Now C will be lying somewhere on this line. C will be lying somewhere on this line such that that point is how far from A? 13 centimeters. So take radius of 13 centimeters. Radius of 13 centimeters. Now from A, make an arc. Now from A, make an arc on this line. Where this arc and this line meets or cuts, that is our C point, C vertex. For the C, now D is how far from C? 12 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So D up from C meters. So from C meters in your compass, C draw one arc. Draw one arc. So D will be lying somewhere on this arc. That is how far from A. This length. So in compass, take this length equal to BC. Put the compass here and you see pencil tip. Now take this in compass from A, take another arc. So we go to D point such that from A equal to BC. And how far from C? Equal to 12 centimeters. Nisha, look front. Yes, complete it fast. And you always must bring all your compass and scale. At night, before sleeping, do check it once. Those who have done, read third one now. In third, AB and angle BAC is given 60 degree. So first draw the rough figure and try to understand what are given to you. First draw a rough figure and then see how we can proceed. Stay quiet. So here AB and angle BAC is given. So AB 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters and angle BAC. Angle BAC. BAC. This angle is given 60 degrees. Kevalya, stay quiet. AB 8 centimeters. Hidansh, look front. AB 8 centimeters is given. Angle BA, it is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. How we can proceed? First we'll be drawing AB. First we'll be drawing AB. AB we got 8 centimeters. AC is at what angle to AB? 60 degree. So first draw an angle of 60 degree at vertex A. At A, draw an angle of 60 degree. At A, draw an angle of 60 degree. Next onwards, if you don't bring the compass and scale, rough figure. And don't take the things from you, bring it your own, or just stay quiet in class. It's better to do nothing than to disturb the class. So first we have drawn an angle of 60 degree. Now so it will as well go. So let it be somewhere here. B 8 centimeters. So leave good amount of space because the angle is going to be 60 degree here. So angle BAC is 60 degree. Now see how to find C. C will be lying somewhere on this line. C will be lying somewhere on this, and how? That is, draw B. It has to be perpendicular AB. We can draw an angle of 90 degree wherever these two lines meet. That will be our C. So draw an angle of 90 degree at B. This angle is rectangle an angle of 90 degree. Yes, look front. Draw an angle of 90 degree at B. Wherever these two lines meet, that will give us C. Wherever these lines meet, it will give us. So here we have C. Then draw it again. I told you space, good amount of on top. So start from the beginning. So wherever these two, so we got the diagonal AC and the side, we got the diagonal AC and side BC. Yes, look front. So wherever these two lines meet, we got our C. Anyone have doubt till now? Any doubt? Now we have to mark, we have to find D. How to find D? How far from C? Okay, draw. Yes, Kevalya, stay quiet. Good point. Yeah, see, yeah, it's same. D point. D is how far equal to BC. How far, see how far from same as it is and arc. Scale. Afterwards, you use the scale. So before that, okay. First mark how far from C? How far from C? 8 centimeters. So take radius of 8 centimeters in your compass. From make an arc. From C, make an arc. So D point will be lying somewhere on this arc. D will be lying somewhere on this arc. Now, from A, make an arc equal to BC. If you are not able to get that length in your compass, do one thing, measure it and see where it is meeting at on this arc. C arc. Again, see it here. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That means how far D from C? 8 centimeters. So take radius of 8 centimeters in your compass and from C, draw an arc of 8 centimeters. It means every point on this arc is how far from C? 8 centimeters. And D will be lying somewhere on this arc, such that it is how far from A? Equal to this length. So take this length in your compass equal to BC. So put the tip of your compass at B and tip of the pencil at C. If it is not going this much, measure with the scale and find it here. How much? How to measure with the scale as well, how to tell? See, we have already made wherever these two lines made. So when you are busy in talking, how you are going to get? Or not? Still you are having a doubt over that? Rectangle angles in the angles of 90 degree. So we have got D, join them. Yes, who was asking? D, how to get D? How many times I have told till now? Why you are not paying attention in class? I told when I explain it, you have to stop doing your work and look here. So how to get D? D is how 8 centimeters. In compass takes radius of 8 centimeters. Make. Yes, be quiet, Vedant, look front. Vedant. So make an arc of 8 centimeters and from A, make an arc equal to BC. So wherever they meet, we get D. Just join them. You get the rectangle. Yes, now third one. Read third one. Third we have completed. Fourth one. B equal to 7 centimeters. BD is a so BD equal to 7 centimeters. This is given and angle between the two diagonals is 60 degree. This angle is how much? Degree. So see here one diagonal is given and the angle between 60 degree. Diagonals in rectangle are equal. It means if centimeter, AC as well be 7 centimeters. Is 60 degree. First, we'll be drawing the diagonal. So draw a line equal to 7 centimeters. We have drawn BD. Well, yes, last bench, look front. Vedant, look front. BD Is 7 centimeters we have drawn. A line of 7 centimeters we have drawn. Now see here where the diagonals are meeting. Where the diagonals are meeting. Vedant. At the midpoint, so first we have to find the midpoint of this line BD. We have to find the midpoint of this line BD. So how to find the midpoint? We'll be using the compass. So from D point, we'll be drawing an arc on both sides. On either sides of the line, we'll be drawing the arc. From D, any length you can take, it must be more than half of BD. And draw an arc on either side of this line. Draw an arc with the same draw as well. It is we are drawing here. How to find the midpoint of D? Draw an arc on either side. Now get the midpoint. This time drawn with dash 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 because oh, this is the midpoint we are getting. We got the midpoint. Now at this midpoint, this is diagonals by point at what angle degree
Sir, your voice is cutting in between.
at this mid angle of 60 because at midpoint the diagonals meet. The diagonal bisect at what angle? So first draw an angle of 60 degree at this point. At this midpoint. Draw an angle of 60 degrees. Now draw the line passing midpoint and this point. Use the scale. Now see here, C will be lying somewhere on this line, C, and how far from the how far 3.5 centimeters. So take 3.5 centimeters compass and from this midpoint make an arc on either side, on both sides. 3.5, 3.5. So total length of 7 centimeters. 3.5 from the midpoint, 3.5 from the midpoint. So we have got C and A here. We got all the vertices A, B, C, D. Just join them, you will get the rectangle. Just join. Yes, I heard some voice how to do A. A and C is what? Diagonal. How far from this midpoint? If this is 7 centimeters, this will be how much? 3.5 centimeters. This will be how much? 3.5 centimeters. So C is how far from this midpoint? 3.5 centimeters. So take radius of 3.5 centimeters in compass from this midpoint. Cut an arc. So we got C and D. So for this row, the properties of these figures must be clear. We'll discuss that in detail in first lecture. On Monday, we are discussing details. All the properties discussed. in drawing rectangle? Yeah. I have to tell again. I won't tell the whole thing again. Tell you doubt specifically. Vedant, start paying attention in class, or tomorrow onwards start sitting on front. So whenever you have doubt, raise the hand immediately. At last, don't tell me that you have to explain it again all. So wherever you have doubt, raise the hand immediately. The question is clear. Now, next one. Construct a rhombus. We have to draw rhombus. So first we are discussing properties of rhombus. Rhombus, all sides equal. Yes, stay quiet and look front. Vedant, look front. So in rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay. So AB equal to BC equal to CD. If one side is given, all the other sides you can find. If, for example, AB is 4 centimeters, it means BC is 4 centimeters, CD is 4 centimeters, DA is 4 centimeters. Yeah, second last bench, look front. ABCD, if one side is given, all the other sides are known. This is clear. The second, the diagonals bisect each other. That is property of parallelogram. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. So diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other. What is extra property in square? Always diagonals meet at 90, cut each other at 90 degrees. That is diagonals are perpendicular to each other in rhombus. They are making an angle of 90 degrees. So are equal. All the sides are parallel. And diagonal as well, they meet at 90 degrees. These are the properties. So each side is 6 centimeter. And one is how much? Number is something like A, B, C, D. This is how much? 45 degrees. So first we're drawing line AB equal to how much? 6 centimeters. So draw a line of AB equal to 6 centimeters. A line of AB केवल start draw a line 6 centimeters. Now, 45 degree. How to draw 45 degree? So we have to draw 90 degree. We will bisect it. So draw an angle of 90 degree at B. We have to draw tip of the compass at B. So we must point here. Either you can draw now. This is 90. How to bisect? Take any length, a bit more. One from here.
Sir, your video and audio are paused.
Take 6 meters in take 6 centimeters in your compass. See how far from B. Take 6 centimeters in your compass and mark. So here we are having C. Let it be 6 centimeters. We will require it more. How far D from C? 6 centimeters. Again from C. Then R 6 centimeters. And how far from A? 6 centimeters from A. Make an arc. We got C. Just join them. Yes, look from so C we have got C vertex we got 6 centimeters. D is how far from C? D is how far from C? 6 centimeters. Again, make an arc of 6 centimeters. So D will lie somewhere on this arc, and D has to be how 6 centimeters. Take 6 centimeters and A. So wherever these two arcs, we are having D. We are having D vertex. Now join CD and AD. Join CD and AD. So we have got rhombus. Send it out in how to find the clear one. It is same in every field. Rectangle as well we calculate such that in square as in near as well we calculate such that. So rhombus is the easiest to draw. Now second one. Now second AB and AC are given. AB and AC are given. Yes, be quoted upfront. So second one I am spending for 2 minutes and draw it at home. So see here, AB and AC are given. It means AB and AC are given. AB how much? 4.7 centimeters. 6.2 centimeters. Look here everyone. Stop talking and look here. How to draw. So see here, AB is given 4.7. It means all the sides are 4.7 centimeters. So first we'll be drawing a line AB of 4.7 centimeters. Now C is how far from A? 6.2 centimeters. From A, make an arc. So C will be lying somewhere on this arc. C will be lying somewhere on this arc. And that C is how far from B? 4.7 centimeters. So take 4.7 centimeters From B, make an arc. How to find D? Again 4.7, make an arc. From A as well, make an arc of 4.7. Join. So try to complete these questions. So first, third question we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you.